Hey, welcome back to From the Tech Desk by RC Experts here at Horizon Hobby. I'm your host, Brad Brooker. Today we're going to show you how to change the ring and pinion gear on your ARRMA Felony in the rear. So if you decide to run the 42x100 Hoons, it'll give you the same gear ratio in front and rear of the vehicle. So before we get started, a few things. You'll need a pair of the 42x100 Hoons, a 40-tooth GP5 diff set, a 15-tooth GP5 pinion, some Loctite, a set of needle nose pliers, a 2.0, a 2.5, and also a wheel wrench. Now let's get wrenching. First we'll start by removing the rear diffuser and also the rear tires. The diffuser is held on by 4 screws. They are 2 millimeters. Let's get started doing that. Next we'll remove the 8 screws to hold the rear end in place. There's 2 on top, the stiffener and chassis brace, and then there's 6 underneath to actually hold the diff to the chassis. They are all 2.5. Now let's get started. Once you have everything loose, you'll be able to pull the rear end away from the vehicles. Do so now. Go pull the vehicle out of the way. Now it's time to remove the diff cover. To do so, we need to pop off the front sway bar mount links. We'll use our needle nose pliers for that, and also remove the 4 screws holding on the diff cover, and they are 2.5. Once everything is loose, the diff cover will actually slide right out. Now it's time to remove the lower shock mount pins, and it's held on by a 2mm screw. Once you loosen that up, the pin will actually slide right out. Do so now. Slide the shocks up. This allows you to actually slide the diff right out. There we go. Next, we actually want to loosen the out drive cup on the pinion itself. It is a 2mm screw, so go get your 2mm for that. You might want to move your dog bones out of the way as well. Once you got that loosened and off, we'll go and take the second screw out. Go and pop the pinion out as well. You don't need that anymore. Grab your new pinion. Grab your drive cup. Make sure the set screws are going to go on the flat spot of the drive cup. Pull a Loctite on your set screw. Go ahead and install your set screw. Go and install the new diff, and also installing the dog bones. They are different on the sides actually. The bigger ball goes towards the actual wheels, the smaller one towards the diff. Go ahead and slide your new diff in place. Once you get that all wiggled in place, there we go. This is also a good opportunity to put any grease on the actual ring and pinion gear as well, so we can do so now. You don't want a lot, but just cover it pretty good. Okay. Go and install the diff cover plate. And the sway bar does go over the actual dog bones, on top of the dog bones, just to let you know. Once you have that in place, go get your wrench, tie down all the screws. Again, there are 4 screws. Install your sway bar. Go and put your shocks back on with the shock pins themselves. They'll slide right in place. Tighten those up. Now it's time to install it back in the vehicle. Once you have everything back installed, now it's time to install the new tires. Again, when you're installing the new tires, they are directional. Make sure you have it on the right way. Now it's time to install the rear diffuser. Well, there you have it. So how you install the same gear ratio front and rear on your ARRMA Felony when installing 42 by 100 Hoons. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and videos from RC Experts Horizon Hobby.